Damp and mold isn't just a repair. It's a serious health and safety risk. For residents, it can mean asthma, respiratory illness, and unsafe living conditions. For landlords, it's a compliance duty. From 27th October 2025, Awaab's law enforces fixed timeframes, emergency hazards triaged within 24 hours, investigations within 14 days, and remedial works completed within a strict deadline. This means every case must be tracked, evidenced, and provable, no exceptions. Every damp and mold issue now enters a single case type. Photos, videos, and details are uploaded once, reducing duplication and confusion. Instead of damp and mold issues being scattered across different systems, everything is in one place, tracked from start to finish. The system automatically flags duplicates. Triage is the first compliance checkpoint. Every damp and mold case must be reviewed within 24 hours. That means evidence collected, photos confirmed, and a decision logged. Is the damp and mold an emergency? Are there vulnerable occupants, children, elderly, or those with medical conditions? If it can't be made safe within 24 hours, alternative accommodation must be considered. Every action is captured, time-stamped, and stored in the audit trail. This ensures landlords can prove not only that they acted, but that they acted within the strict requirements of Awaab's law. Once triage is complete, the case moves to awaiting investigation. An inspection appointment is scheduled without delay, and residents are notified automatically by SMS and email so they know exactly what to expect. Every attempt to gain access is recorded. If entry is refused or missed, the system counts each attempt, protecting both residents and landlord by evidencing compliance. The process is transparent. Residents see when inspections are due, and landlords can prove that every effort has been made to investigate promptly. Inspections have a strict 10-day SLA under Awaab's law. Inspectors record room-by-room findings such as visible damp, mold spread, ventilation, and heating. Findings from the inspection flow straight into action. Repairs are auto-created, such as extractor fan replacements, mold treatments, or heating upgrades. This reduces delays, prevents service failures, and helps landlords meet strict SLAs. A resident-friendly inspection report is generated and emailed showing what was found and what will be done. If a resident later reports the issue is not resolved, the case reopens and goes back to triage. Notes are added to the audit trail, and repeat cases are flagged, escalated, and tracked. The full history from the first inspection to the latest communication is recorded, proving landlords are listening, acting, and compliant with Awaab's law. The outcome? Safer homes, clear evidence, and processes that meet the strict requirements of Awaab's law. This isn't just about repairs. It's about accountability, compliance, and trust.